Hi, what's up guys? This is Anavan from TechAply and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unscrew a tie screw without stripping it. Let's take a look here. I've got a gone wrong tripod and I want to unscrew its screws so that I can turn it into a microphone stand. To open this tripod for a small and tight screw, you might need a tool like what I'm showing here or very tiny screwdriver. Since the normal screwdriver can handle the screw, then it can be easily to strip over. Therefore, consider to choose a good screwdriver size for it. To unscrew a tie screw, you need to know which of your hands is stronger. For me, I will use my right hand to operate the unscrew. Next step, put the tip of the screwdriver into the screw and start counterclockwise unscrew it. Remember that since it's a tie screw, you might need to hold press on the screwdriver during the time counterclockwise unscrewing. Remember to set those unscrewed screws aside just in case that there's more than one type of screws in your item. This is to make sure every screw is counted and easy for later. Okay, now guys, I've already showed you how to unscrew a tie screw without stripping it. As for this tripod, I already get its screws out. The next video I will show you how I turn it into a microphone stand. So stay tuned for next video. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel.